Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video in our options selling strategies, positional option selling strategies for Indian index markets. Okay, so today we're going to discuss about protective collars, positional trade, and we'll go through some examples of Nifty, Sensex, and Bank Nifty and adjustments that we can do. So, protective collar. What is a protective collar? It's a hedged positional strategy in Nifty, Sensex, and Bank Nifty. So, as a part of this protective collar, what you'll do is you'll long on the stock or a future. So, it's a directional bullish position because you're going long on a stock or a future, and then you'll buy a protection. So, you long a put. So, you're buying a put to protect yourself. Okay, and then you're shorting the call to reduce the cost of the put. So, it is essentially a covered call plus protective put. Okay, so that's the strategy. So covered call because the futures and short call, this is covered call and a protective put. Okay, and what it does is it allows you to have limited downside risk with cap upside profit. So downside risk is limited, at the same time profit is also capped on the upside. So that's what a protective collar is. It's a hedged positional strategy. So example is, if suppose Nifty is at 20,000, you'll buy futures at 20,000 and you'll buy 19,800 P for protection, and you'll sell 2,200 C to reduce the cost of the P. Outcome is the loss is limited due to put, because this is your bullish position is hedged by using this put, and profit is capped at 2,200. The C strike. Okay, so net cost reduced because call premium funds the put. Okay, adjustments for protective collar Indian indices is so three scenarios we will have. Market rises sharply, so bullish beyond the short call strike. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, so this is, it's going beyond your short call strike. So then what will happen is whatever call you have shorted now, that will become a liability, and what we need to do is, example is 20,000, you sold 20,200 but market moved to 20,500. So adjustments you need to do in this case is you need to roll that short call from 2,200 to 2,500 C, and 2,500 C you can roll it up. You can convert it into a bull call spread. So you can just, instead of rolling, buy back the CE and buy a higher CE to participate in the rally. So convert into bull call spread. Exit the put early. So you can exit the put, and since downside risk is now lower, keep only the futures and short CE. Just have the covered call. So that's also an adjustment in this market rising sharply scenario. Okay. So other scenarios, market is falling, bearish scenario. So here your long futures will lose value, but put will start paying. It will offset losses. Okay, so Nifty has example is 20,000. It has fallen to 19,500. You had a 19,800 P. Okay, so adjustments we can do in this is sell an additional OTM call. So we have sold 2,200 CA. We can sell 2,500 CA, which will turn it to a bear calls spread to recover losses. Roll down the put. We can roll down the put from 19,800 to 19,500 PA to increase the hedge value. Convert into a bear put spread. Book profit in the PA, buy lower PA and keep short C. Okay, and so that also you could do when market falls and goes against you in a bearish scenario. Sideways market, rainbow neutral, futures will not, it will just hover near entry. Nothing will happen on the futures end. But put will decay because we have bought it, and C also decays. Okay, so C we have shorted, right? So yeah, it will decay. So C will help you. So that decay, theta decay will happen in cell CA. But this bot P will theta decay also happen. So the difference between them will tell you, whether if the put is bleeding more, decaying faster than C, then you'll even time decay doesn't help you. You may have a short loss or a short profit in this scenario. Because market is range bound, what you do is you convert into iron condor. Okay, change the strategy into iron condor, or you could run both calls closer. Uh, so if Nifty is at 2000, roll, let's see, from 2200 to 2100, and P from 19800 to 19900. This will allow you to collect the premium. Okay, extra collar and exit caller and shift to covered call if volatility crush is expected. That also you could do. You can exit this call and shift to covered call position also. Expiry week adjustments, gamma risk will rise. The risk will be there in expiry week, so future swing more versus options. So if ITM fee threatens, roll up or close to avoid assignment, and if PE becomes ITM, book profit early and avoid the risk. Okay, so that's the things we need to do on expiry week adjustments. So summary of adjustments are: market is up, you roll up the CE, exit the PE and convert into a bull call spread. Market is down, you roll down the PE, sell extra CE to collect premium, convert to bear put spread. If market is sideways, roll strikes closer, add extra short legs, make it an iron condor. Okay, expiry week, manage assignment risk, close profitable legs early. So that's the protective collar strategy and the positional adjustments that we could do for this strategy. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.